Hello and welcome to Wise Owl English Learning. In today's video, we will explore vocabulary and expressions related to love and relationships. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's get started and dive into the beautiful world of romantic expressions and terms. Let's begin. Love.
Love.
I love you. Heart.
Heart.
You have a kind heart. Heartbreak.
Heartbreak.
She experienced deep heartbreak. Sweetheart.
Sweetheart.
Good morning, sweetheart. Romance.
Romance.
They had a romantic dinner. Kiss.
Kiss.
He kissed her on the cheek. Hug.
Hug.
She gave him a warm hug. Date.
Date.
They went on a date. Ask someone out.
Ask someone out.
She finally asked him out for coffee. Going out with.
Going out with.
Do you know that Mark is going out with Andra? Fall in love.
Fall in love.
I think I'm falling in love with Melissa. I can't stop thinking about her. Crush.
Crush.
I have a crush on a boy in my English class. Soulmate.
Soulmate.
He found his soulmate. Affection.
Affection.
She showed her affection. Passion.
Passion.
Their passion for each other was clear. Flirt.
Flirt.
He likes to flirt with her. Infatuation.
Infatuation.
It was just infatuation, not real love. Boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
Her boyfriend is very caring. Girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
His girlfriend is very supportive. Ex.
Ex.
He saw his ex-girlfriend with another guy. Unrequited love.
Unrequited love.
Unrequited love can be very painful. Propose.
Propose.
John proposed to Sarah on the beach at sunset. Engagement.
Engagement.
They announced their engagement. Wedding.
Wedding.
Their wedding was beautiful. Anniversary.
Anniversary.
They celebrated their anniversary. Divorce.
Divorce.
They went through a divorce. Separated.
Separated.
They are separated but not divorced. Breakup.
Breakup.
She had a painful breakup. Forgive.
Forgive.
He couldn't forgive her. Rebound.
Rebound.
He was just a rebound. Thank you for watching this video on love and relationship vocabulary. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. Don't forget to practice these words and phrases in your daily conversations. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe to Wise Owl English Learning and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, and happy learning!